Now, Mani National Congress Party leader Musalia Mudavadi now says his party has written to the IEBC protesting the interference of the electoral process by Kakamega Governor Wycliffe Oparanya, whom he accused of manipulating the process. According to Mudavadi, Oparanya tinkered with the recruitment of electoral staff and made sure some county staff were employed. We have our Kennedy Mureithi on ground for the same. Mureithi?
Well, a very good afternoon to you, Zainab, there in Nairobi. And here in Matungu, it's quite sunny and preparations for the elections are ongoing. And as per what we've been able to gather right now is that the IEBC says it is all systems go as they make that last-minute ditch to make sure that everything goes smoothly. Yesterday, we were able to speak to the regional commissioner, Madam Esther Maina, and she said that they will be looking at having about 30 officers per polling station, that is 116. But today morning we were able to speak to Musalia Mudavadi, that is the Amani National Congress Party leader, and he made some accusations, and this is what he had to say.
Some county government, Kakamega County government officials have maneuvered their way into delicate areas of the IEBC operation. Some of them have even been recruited. And we highlighted one or two. We want the IEBC to take corrective action immediately, because it is so obvious that the governor has been at the center and the forefront, Governor of Kakamega, in campaigning for the ODM candidate. So any of his officials being involved directly in the process of managing the elections in Kakamega or in Matungu in particular, then is out of line. It's a breach. It has come to our knowledge that one of them was even positioned to work within the results transmission. He's an IT person, but he's an officer of the Kakamega County government.
Well, Zainab, some grave allegations there that have been made by the ANC party leader. And I'm now joined by Commissioner Guliye. Probably to bring him up to speed is that Mudavadi is insistent on the fact that somebody from the office of the Governor Kakamega has been able to infiltrate the system of the IEBC up to the level of IT. And they've even written a letter to you as IEBC protesting some of this, even including to the fact that some officers who were recruited as IEBC staff are part of the Kakamega Governor government. Have you received any letter, and what would you say about these allegations?
Thank you very much. Welcome to Nabulimbo Primary School, which will also act as the constituency Charlie Center. I've arrived this morning, and I have heard about the allegation that was made, and indeed there is a written letter to that effect by the party leader of ANC. Having discussed with our staff on the ground, both the county elections manager and the returning officer, I have been briefed that so far what they have done is as required by law. All election officials are shared with political parties and with candidates. And this has been done. And up to this morning, we only have one complaint of one person out of a staff of, I'm not sure, 600 staff. There is only one complaint or one staff out of the 600 staff that have been recruited for this exercise. And indeed, the staff is an employee of the county government of Kakamega. And he has not been in a position to infiltrate anything. He was merely recruited as a trainer for ICT, and once the allegation has been brought to our attention and the officers have already taken an action on that matter, and the particular individual has been asked to step down from that position and will not be involved or engaged in any electoral process in this particular constituency. And therefore, out of 600 staff, only one individual was the complainant from the parties and the candidate so far.
Thank you very much. Well, we are keeping an eye on what is happening here in Matungu constituency, and we'll probably be asking him more questions off air, but that question has answered what has been brought forth by the ANC party leader with regard to that complaint that they have been raising. But right now, there are more by-elections that we are following up, and I return to you, Zainab, in studio.